Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Easter to you. All right, last night we had a super uber duper storm, and Jolly has said that I need to come out and check for storm damage. So I'm checking for storm damage, and I sure hope that there was no storm here. Last night we had a super windy, and we had a super duper wave come through. And the wave, here comes a big vessel. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Oh, the ice cream cruise, you go boys. My gosh, it is a cold Easter morning. All right. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Good morning, good morning. All right, I'm checking the boat. He said there's damage. Do you see any damage? I see that the boat needs to be washed, and I see a green line. So nothing on that side. So they popped out of their boat. We popped out. Let's see what's going on down here. I think he was bluffing me. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Northwest. It was a side swell, 3 foot, 3 in a row. That's why it rocked everybody so hard. That's pretty good. 3 foot side swells, 3 in a row at us.
Yeah.
That's what it threw at us. Why are you shaking?
Because it is so cold. It is so cold. It's so cold.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Good morning. Happy Easter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You hear the gooses? They're saying happy, 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 happy. They'll come back for breakfast later. Happy Easter to you. I hope you find your golden egg that has all your dreams and wishes in there. Blessings to you and your family. He has risen. Now it's time for us to rise up. I'm ready. Are you? Blessed be.